What's up, guys? It's your boy Shadain here, back with another video. And I know a lot of you guys will be saying I haven't made a video in a long time. Yes, I haven't made a video in a long time, and I've pretty much not made a video that I've been, with my face in it. So today I will be doing so, but I want to talk to you about a specific product I just got as well. And I want to say Happy New Year to everyone that I haven't told. Happy New Year, and I appreciate every single one of you guys for subscribing to the channel, because I appreciate every single one of you guys. If it wasn't for you, I wouldn't be at the level where I am right now. But I've been checking out a lot of retro handles recently, and I have some more videos that I have in mind, but I've been just slow recording. January has not been a month for me, so hopefully I can pick up from everything starting this month. But I also have a gaming channel that is called Darkgunner45 Gaming. It's on YouTube. You can check it out. That channel is at 6,000 subscribers, and you guys can head over there if you like gaming content. I'll be maybe playing some of those retro handles on there if you guys would like. Also be playing some Pal World. But enough of that. Let's talk about this device specifically, which is the Godox WEC Kit 1. Now, this device is a really cool wireless microphone that is pretty much just like every other microphone that's out there, like the Godox and the Hollyland. All of them are pretty much the same in the same regard with that small module. But the biggest difference with this one than every other one, it's the price. Now, the price of this one is around $50. I bought mine on AliExpress for $45 to $50, and I know a lot of you guys are like, AliExpress, isn't that unsafe? But no, AliExpress is safe, and I bought a bunch of stuff from AliExpress that I've gotten with no problems. I've bought this specific device from there, and it's been good. The only bad thing, it takes like 3 weeks. 3 weeks. It took me like 3 to 4 weeks to get this device, which I was really mad about. But sometimes it will take less than that, 2 weeks, or yes, a week and a half. Sometimes. But I love this device so far. Now, let's get into some of the features of this device. One of the biggest features is that this has denoise feature in there, which I was really wanting to get one for a microphone that has denoise, that is cheap and it's not going to break my pocket buying this. So I want you guys to tell me, how does it sound while me recording this video? And then I have the noise pretty much enabled right through, and I don't have a lot of noises in my background currently, but I'll be going outside and testing those features. But let's talk about some of the features. Now, this device is rated to basically run for 8 hours. It has a 200-meter range, and it also has a 20 hertz to 20 kilohertz band range. It also has a 2.4 gigahertz transmission, and it also has a omnidirectional mic, which is really good. Now, one of the features I really want to test out is that 200 meter range. We'll be seeing today. I won't be doing the full 200 meters because that is crazy. I know anybody will actually use a microphone that far, and we'll be also testing some of that battery life. I don't know if I'll be able to show everything to you today in this video, but realistically, I don't think anybody will be using a microphone for more than 2 hours at a time. If you guys know anybody, please leave it in the comment section below. But I know I would never use a microphone more than an hour or 2 hours at a time, unless I'm doing like a really long wedding or something like that. And I think 8 hours is still a lot for even if you're using it at a wedding, because I don't think you'll be using it the entire time. So those are some of the features that this has. It also has some other features, which is being able to enable the noise cancellation, which is called denoise, which by hitting this little orange button on the side, it will switch that from a green light to a orange light or amber light. That basically indicates that it is working. You have to hold it for like 3 to 2 seconds and it will pop up. And also the receiver has a mono and a stereo mode that you can switch from. And basically mono and stereo are just terms that you can use for how your audio is taken when you're editing. So it either is in a dual track or a single track. So that's the only difference. And you know, stereo you can hear it from both ears. So that's the only thing. But we'll be heading outside and basically showing you what this is capable of in the wind or just in the outside environments. And then maybe going, if I can go somewhere loud that something is happening, and record with the denoise on as well, and just let you guys see how it sounds. But that's pretty much what we have so far with all the features. Let's head out the road and show you guys everything. But yeah, let's go. Alright guys, so we're back, and the first thing I am testing is pretty much no denoise feature on. Now I'll be doing also the range test, which I'll be walking pretty much all the way back just to see how this actually, if it cut out or anything. I'll be just going pretty much as far as I can down this parking lot and seeing how long it stays until it disconnects. All right, and let me know if you guys are hearing any, background noise or any audible noise from the trees or wind or anything. I have the dead cat on as well. I'll be removing the dead cat and then we're testing that as well. And then let's see how it goes. Let's just walk back as far as we can. Let me know when you guys are hearing me. We're pretty much now at probably like 10 feet. Not sure how far we are, but we are pretty far distance. We're still going. Let me just turn back, and we're still talking, testing the audio as well. Keep going, we're still testing. Let me know if you guys are still hearing me. Testing. I think we'll be stopping here. We're at a good distance currently. I think we should be fine. This is probably about 40 meters or probably 60. I'm not sure. I'm not gonna be saying, but we are pretty much very far away. Now I'm gonna be removing the dead cat from the microphone, just so you guys can see if you are hearing any noise. Just remove the dead cat. Let me know if you guys are hearing any sound of cars or anything. We're pretty close to the road, so let me know if you're hearing anything or any wind noise in that fact. All right, we're pretty much all the way back at the camera, and all right, we're back. Now let's now activate the denoise feature. You might be hearing that train. Let's put the dead cat back on. Now activating all right, now we have the denoise feature on. I'm now having the microphone in my hand, and we're gonna be just walking again, just see if we hear any wind noise with that denoise feature turned on. Let me know if you guys are hearing anything, and then I'm just gonna walk back a little bit, then come back a little bit, just to see if we hear any wind noise while walking or any swaying. And pretty much that's the test. That's the test for this microphone with the denoise feature on and off and that long distance range. I haven't listened to anything yet, so I won't know until editing. So I'll be jumping back in after listening and giving you my final thoughts on this microphone. Alright guys, so we're back at home, but I want to do one more test. Now currently I have a dryer next to me, and I will let you guys listen for yourselves and tell me what you think. I think you guys should be hearing that dryer a little bit. That's pretty much the only thing with this headphones, or microphones I should say. It's not perfect. It has some flaws with this denoise feature, so be expecting it to take out some noise, but not everything. Just once you bear that in mind, you're good to go. So as long as you're not putting a lot of audio noise into the headphones or into the microphones, I should say, it will do its best to basically filter everything out. But maybe like something like a DJI or one of the Rode Wireless Go can have maybe better denoise features, or maybe more AI features that definitely isolate that voice. Now, I just went ahead and shut off the dryer, but I wanted to go ahead and just let you guys know that this microphone is a good microphone, and it has some good things and some bad. It did well outside. I didn't hear a lot of noise with the dead cat on. I didn't pick up a lot of wind noise or anything like that. So I'm saying this is pretty much a 8 out of 10 when it comes on to audio tests, audio levels, and just being able to record everywhere, you know, in moderate to low noise level environments. I maybe will test it in a later video with maybe a crowded environment with a lot of noise and see how much noise it will remove and just keep my voice in the foreground. But I can say, one, I love the fact that it's lightweight. It is a very good to just attach it onto your camera and just leave it and shoot right away. What else? The connectivity with that distance was okay. Well, I'm not gonna say okay, it was good, because it didn't cut out until it got really, really far, which I will never think I will make a video that far. Maybe do a video where I'm, you know, doing walking or something, but it will never be that far from the camera itself. So I will say this is an okay microphone. Okay, the distance is great. So I won't say okay, I won't say it's great. And the other issue, the denoise is the only one. Denoise being sub, you know, but it's a $45 microphone. It's $45. $100 or $80 something with the additional added case and being able to see that battery level on the case once you put them in. They have prongs on the bottom that lets you charge these microphones. It also can switch from stereo to mono, and that's everything in the little package here for $45. So I say this is definitely worth it for $45. I paid literally, I went ahead and checked, it's 46 something. I paid for the Kit 1 version. I think with the like the full kitted version, which is the Kit 2, you will get the case, another receiver, and, you know, multiple dead cats and all that. But I think it's definitely worth it buying this for your first microphone if, you know, you want something that you don't want to spend a lot of money on. So I would say overall experience, I would say 8 out of 10. Maybe in the future, if I do a follow-up video on this in a couple of months and see how well it can perform in maybe, you know, louder environments, like maybe in a town or where more cars are, and we'll see what it's like then. But that's pretty much it for today's video. Hope you guys like this one, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.